For the Easter egg, we need to actually open up our seams. Now the seams are curved. And so how we've done that is not with an iron, but we've done it with a glue stick or a fabric glue pen. So I've got my seam allowance sewn here. And so all I'm going to do is I'm going to mark this up with some glue. Be quite liberal. You can get pink, you can get blue, which dry clear, and that's easier for you to see. I'm being quite liberal with this because I want it to stick. And then we get our fingers in here and we turn the seam over on itself. Just like you'd be using your fingers like the tip of the iron. We haven't clipped this seam because this being cut on the bias needs to act like a bit of a structure to the egg, like a skeleton. So, and then we do the other side. We get try not to need glue. Go back on itself. We want little pleats, if anything, at the very edge on the inside. Then we roll that back, finger press it. You gotta let it sit for 5 minutes before you do anything with it, just so as it can settle. And what that ends up doing was we end up with a seams pressed open, ready for us to turn through and fill with some filling. There we have it. Nicely pressed open and no clipping.